Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to show you how to download and install the eSign app on your iPhone. So first make sure you connect it to either Wi-Fi or cellular data so that you can access the internet. Then we shall go to App Store. Then you need to access your email or log into email first. Then after logging in it, then let's go to search here. Then type here eSign. And then click search. Scroll a bit and here you can see eSign file doc and form docs. Now click get and here it will say install. Now install. You need to give your password, so let's give our password. After giving our password, it's now saying it's downloading. It will take a while. You can see it's downloading and yeah, it's open. Now it's open and you can click it here and yeah, it's completed. And that's it. That's the eSign app is now ready to use on your iPhone, so you can start signing documents. I hope this video was helpful, so don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks for your iPhone. See you next time.